I'm trying to enjoy this absolutely delicious steak for my breakfast, and this is what you have. Hey! This is what it's like when you have a parrot. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. What's yours is theirs. We've got Sam's here, who's looking on like, how the hell does she get away with it? Excuse me. And she's just got another little gob full of waffle. Little bugger. Today's drink is this Lancaster Black. No, it's quite nice. And this steak is it's a sirloin steak, but it's look at that, perfectly cooked. But it's off the ribeye end. Look at the little sod pot. Hey, gotcha, gotcha.